So I reviewed this Monarch several cases prior. This case did pretty good. So I went and bought the Pathfinder, which is like the little brother of it. This Pathfinder is lighter and less bulky, but kind of the same idea. So how does this stack up in terms of performance against the Monarch? Let's find out. I'm testing 50 cases to find the best 5. This is review number 41 out of 50. Because I'm a reviewer, not an influencer, for the iPhone 17s, my scoring system is based on what the iPhone actually feels when it hits the ground on its corner, on its face, as well as on its camera lump. Each case an iPhone gets dropped 30 times. So when I say it's terrible, it's because I've got the data to back it up. Now this case feels way flimsier than the Monarch, definitely less extravagant. This colored part is polycarbonate. This is black TPU, which is fairly stiff. These black dots, they look like screws, but they're made out of plastic, so they don't actually really do anything. The top of the camera lump isn't that squishy, and even though the case has kind of a matte finish to it, it is very, very slick. Really nothing special on the inside of the case. iPhone sits on a honeycomb textured polycarbonate. It's going to increase the weight of your iPhone by 41 grams. This case is lighter than the 47 gram average. Bulk-wise, this product isn't actually too bad. It'll increase it by about 69%. Very, very average. Now the grip on this case, I will say, is bottom mid. There's a lot of design elements for your fingers to like anchor onto, but again, the whole case is incredibly slick. Buttons on this case are integrated. They are easy to push, but are squishy. Your camera control button isn't covered. There's a cutout, and your fingers are going to be running over little speed bumps in terms of screen access along the sides. Port cutout is big and can take my fatty cable, but the edges are sharpish, so if you're a pinky proper upper, you might notice them. When it comes to MagSafe, to pull things off only took 8.3 newtons. To push things off only took 8.1. That's 16% below average. Technically, that's not great, but it's no worse than Apple's own cases. Corners on this case are 3.5 millimeters thick. The back is only 2 millimeters thick. Amount of force required to pop a corner off this case was only 20 newtons. Average is 25. And despite this being polycarbonate, the back's incredibly thin. It has a lot of flex. It only took 22 newtons to bend it 8 mils. That's 21% below average. Now for corner drops, this iPhone recorded 13.1 Gs. That's 29% above average. This Urban Gear Monarch, this was a 10-ish. This was average, this is way above average. Now after the corner impact, the amount of a rotation it did was 21% better than average. This case stopped ringing quicker than average, but the total force was 14% higher than average. Compared to the Monarch, the Pathfinder did a better job of settling down, but overall the total force was less through the Monarch. When it came to face first drops, despite having a lot of clearance, it failed. And that was super surprising to me because, again, the clearance on this case is significant, but the top pops off incredibly easily. Like, it doesn't take much to pop off the corner. Now, when it comes to the camera lump, the lip around it is basically the same TPU. It's got a bit of give to it. It's not very hard. Initial impact is basically average. Total force is basically average, but the settling rate was 20% slower. So when you drop it on a corner, this case settles down a lot quicker, but if you drop it on the back like that, it takes a lot longer for it to stop ringing. So if there's one thing we're gonna learn from this video is that if you like the look of Urban Armored Gear cases, go with the Monarch because it is way tougher than the Pathfinder. In fact, most cases are tougher than the Pathfinder. Again, chalk it up to things that look tough but actually aren't. Now, would I get this product if I wasn't a reviewer? The short answer is absolutely not. No, why? Why would I? I'm testing 50 cases to find out the best 5. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do, because the moment I finish this video, I'm going to upload it and then you just get to see it. Hey!